These are very much important, especially when we are dealing with drug discovery. So during that time, this is more important. And why? Because one of the person in the 19th century who has discovered certain rules. So these rules are termed as Lipinski's rule of five. And his name, from his name, these rules are termed as Lipinski rule of five. The name of the scientist is Sir Christopher A. Lipinski. So he has devised certain rules. From these certain rules, these um, rules are applicable for certain drug molecules, certain drugs which can be given orally. So for oral candidates, whether certain orally given drug candidates which can become a successful drug or not. So to decide this, Lipinski has devised certain physicochemical properties. And and these properties are very common. What are these properties? If we see, then these properties are much similar because they are the kind of fastest methods for evaluation of drug-like properties. Drug
સર આ
likeness,
લખવાનું જ
not necessary. I shall be sharing my this PPT also with you people. If you want to note down the points, then you can. Not
સર
necessary that you.
રેકોર્ડ બુકમાં જ લખીએ ને અમે જો લખીએ તો
Yes, only in record book of medicinal terms.
ઓકે સર.
So these are the kind of fastest rules to determine the drug likeness of the compounds. Now what is called drug likeness? So that means that whether the molecule will behave like a drug or not. So that is called as drug likeliness. Drug likeness. And all these are basically a kind of rules which are guidelines which can guide us that a molecule can have certain structural properties. Here, these are the structural properties which can be absorbed after oral administration. So these are only applicable for the drugs which can be given orally, not for the drugs which are given either by the IV, intravenous, intramuscular, intrathecal, or directly into the blood circulation. So only for oral dosing this is applicable. Even not this is not applicable to this what is called topical administration. So topical administration के लिए भी नहीं है. This is only for oral administration, which can be given by mouth only. Now, what are these Lipinski filters? So we need to discuss that. Are the Lipinski filters? So Lipinski filters are the kinds of guidelines. It is called a certain kind of rule to help to know the molecule will become a drug or not. जैसे you people know very well that if you want to become, जैसे you know driving also, how to drive a bike or Activa or two-wheeler, sometimes also four-wheeler. So I wish to have some opinion from you people. So Bhavarth, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
So what are the rules to drive a vehicle?
Pay clear attention on the road. Always wear safety protection, protective gear with you, and never listen to any songs. And do not get disturbed while driving. Pay attention. That's also.
First of all,
This
you
is,
should have license.
yes, the person who is driving should have a certain kind of licensing. If we do not have license, then uh, we should not drive the vehicle. So this is license. Rule number 1. What is rule number 2? Who will tell? Who wants? जितना भी आपको पता है बोलते जाओ. Or I shall invite Disha. You tell me what is the rule for driving a two-wheeler.
Yes, sir. Can you please repeat? I just joined.
We are discussing the rules. So we need to
Okay.
understand the meaning of the rules. To understand this, I have taken the example of what are the rules required to drive a two-wheeler. So that is we are discussing.
Drive a two-wheeler.
Yes. What are the rules in general?
Okay, you have to drive on the correct side and not to go on the wrong side, and wear a helmet and
Second rule
speed
is
control.
there is a certain speed limit. We
Yeah.
should drive the vehicle following the speed limits, following the particular lanes, and
Yes.
also we should wear the helmets. If we do not wear the helmets, then we will be imposed the fine. We should not drive in uh, wrong lane also. जैसे जो भी सिंपल से that we should. Any other rule इसके अलावा?
सर हमारे पास पीयूसी होना चाहिए.
Yes, we should have pollution under control certificate. Okay. So that is also a rule. Next rule.
Sir, license, driving license.
License is discussed. Any other?
Don't
Obey
use
traffic
mobile
signal.
phones.
So, we should, whenever we are driving or driving a vehicle or riding somehow car. So during that time also we should not use our cell phones, mobile phones. Then
સર બે પર્સન જ જવાય ટુ વ્હીલર પર 3-4 જણે નહીં
that
જવાય.
should not be not more than one pylon while driving other than the main driver. Then
સર આરસી બુક હોવી જોઈએ.
good. So vehicle must have the RC book. The person who is driving the car, he must have a valid registration certificate book, RC book.
Sir, also PUC and insurance.
Insurance is also there, if for at least third party insurance. So that is required. So there are number of rules. Although I am not here to discuss, not to teach you how to become a traffic hawaldar, but the point is to tell you people that these are all the rules. अब आप बताओ इसमें से आप कितने रूल फॉलो करते हो? सभी रूल्स हैं, all the rules. Do you have your license? Do you have your RC? Do you drive properly? And do you have insurance? Have you ever not? Are you people not riding any vehicle in the wrong side? So sometimes we are following some of the rules. Sometimes we are following none of the rules. अभी हम पूरे मतलब फिर भी कभी हम पूरे सभी रूल्स फॉलो करते हैं और कभी हम एक भी रूल फॉलो नहीं करते. Sometimes we do not obey the traffic rules also whenever we are in a hurry. Some traffic signals as well. Okay, and if we do not obey the rules, we disobey them, then we are imposed with the fines. We have to pay the fines to the respective persons. So Rules are basically sets of the guidelines, and it is not necessary that it should be always obeyed. जैसे some people are telling rules इसीलिए बनते हैं क्योंकि वो तोड़े जा सके. So it is not necessary essential always. So here this Lipinski rule of 5, which we are studying, they are certain kinds of guidelines, certain kinds of sets of conditions, certain conditions, and it is not necessary that all the drugs in the world will obey Lipinski rule of 5. It is not necessary. Sometimes will be there, sometimes will not be. Okay. So what are the conditions, what are the sets of guidelines which are in this Lipinski rule of 5? So the condition, जैसे हमने भी बोला, हेलमेट होना चाहिए, आरसी होना चाहिए, पीयूसी होना चाहिए. So similarly there are certain conditions. The condition number 1 in Lipinski rule of 5 is molecular weight. Molecular weight of a drug that should be less than 500. The log P, C log P, or basically log P, that should be less than 5. Now what is log P? We will come to the next slides. The hydrogen bond donors, you have visited hydrogen bonds in your organic chemistry, so you know that hydrogen, what are the kind of hydrogen bond? Basically it is a kind of bond between electronegative atom and hydrogen atom. That is called hydrogen bond. So there are two types of hydrogen bond, fragments of hydrogen bonds. One is called hydrogen bond donor, other is called hydrogen bond acceptors. So for the sake, you can note in your record book also, hydrogen bond donors are basically NH and OH. Hydrogen bond acceptors are basically nitrogen and oxygen. Okay. We will discuss this when we will come to the next slide for hydrogen bonds. So acceptors are less than 10 and donors are less than 5. Log P is less than 5 and molecular weight is also less than 5. इसके अलावा और एक है, I have not mentioned here, that is called number of rotational bonds. So number of rotational bonds also should be less than 10. So all these are values which are multiple of 5. So यहाँ पे 500 है, यहाँ पे 5 है, यहाँ पे 5 है, ये 10 है. अभी मैंने हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड डोनर्स जो बोला है वो 10 है. Right? So Lipinski, Sir Christopher A. Lipinski have such number of drug molecules, and he identified that the drugs which are given orally, who are having better absorptivity and bioavailability, should have these properties in multiples of 5. It belongs to a pharmaceutical company. The name of this pharmaceutical company is this Pfizer. So Pfizer के नाम से ये रूल को Pfizer rule of 5, उस Pfizer rule of 5 भी कहा जाता है. Okay. So now next, these are the guidelines, but not necessary. There may be certain violation. जैसे आपके पास आरसी नहीं है, रजिस्ट्रेशन लाइसेंस नहीं है, फिर भी आप अपने घर से गाड़ी चला के LM कॉलेज ऑफ फार्मेसी आ सकते हैं. So there may be certain violation also of any rule, but it may result in, for a drug, it may result in poor absorption depending upon the kind of property. Okay. Now coming to the hydrogen bonds. Here we will discuss a lot more things. What are the hydrogen bonds? These are the bonds which can occur between the hydrogens and electronegative oxygen or uh, nitrogen atoms. They are called hydrogen bonds. How many hydrogen bonds can a water molecule make? Maximum
4.
4 hydrogen bonds water molecule can make. And basically, this is majorly observed in polar molecules such as H2O, NH3, HF, HCl. So, whomsoever the molecules are polar in nature, they can make such hydrogen bonds. Now, hydrogen bonds में दो टाइप होते हैं, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला, एक तो होता है हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड एक्सेप्टर, दूसरा होता है हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड डोनर. तो आपने लिखा है, जैसे अभी आई हैव मेंशन इन वन ऑफ द प्रीवियस स्लाइड्स, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड डोनर इज ऑलवेज NH and OH, and hydrogen bond acceptor is always nitrogen and oxygen. जैसा यहाँ पे इनका नाम है वैसा काम है कि हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड एक्सेप्टर will accept the hydrogen bond और हाइड्रोजन एटम. ये नाइट्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन है वो हमेशा हाइड्रोजन को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, इसलिए उसको बोलते हैं हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड एक्सेप्टर्स. और NH और OH जो है, they have this oxygen. NH and OH have these hydrogens. They used to donate the hydrogens. That's why they are called hydrogen bond donors. जैसे अमोनिया देखा जाए तो अमोनिया हैज 3 NH. NH, NH, NH. कितने हुए हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड डोनर? 3. वाटर कितने OH है वाटर में? OH, OH. तो 2 वाटर OH है, इसलिए हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड डोनर्स विल बिकम 2. Okay, nitrogen and oxygen. So ammonia has only 1 hydrogen bond acceptor. So that's why it is 1. For ammonia, it will become 1 nitrogen. So it is 1 acceptor. For water, there is only 1 oxygen in water. So hydrogen bond acceptor कितने होंगे? Only 1. I hope that these things are clear. Okay. So, and one more thing. Other way is also to identify. आपके पास जैसे नाइट्रोजन है और ऑक्सीजन है, तो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड एक्सेप्टर्स आर दिस, बट दे हैव आल्सो सर्टेन लॉन्ग पेयर्स. नाइट्रोजन के पास अमोनिया में एक लॉन्ग पेयर है, ऑक्सीजन के पास वाटर में 2 लॉन्ग पेयर है. सो दैट्स व्हाई हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड एक्सेप्टर्स are electron donors. I repeat, hydrogen bond acceptors are always electron donors. और हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड डोनर्स जो है NH and OH, तो ये जो NH and OH है, they will be receiving the electrons from the other counterparts, from other electronegative atoms. Hydrogen donors are considered as electron pair receivers or electron acceptors. So ये हाइड्रोजन और इलेक्ट्रॉन का कंसेप्ट उल्टा है. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड डोनर्स and electron acceptors. Hydrogen bond acceptors are electron donors. So ये हो गया. This is the case of hydrogen bond. So now next is discussion on molecular weight. That you know very well, molecular weight is a kind of additive property. Additive property means, let's say if I want to simply calculate molecular weight of water. So oxygen के 8 oxygen 16, so 16 plus 2 molecular weight becomes 18. Benzene C6H6 कार्बन के 6 हाइड्रोजन के भी 6 so 6 multiplied by that atomic weight of carbon 72 plus 6 of hydrogen so it will become 78 so this way molecular weight of benzene is 78 similarly we can also find out molecular weight of aspirin aspirin का क्या molecular weight है that we can find. Now next is the various Lipinski filters. And among this, the next discussion is for Lagrange. This property which we will also meet in our coming discussion on quantitative structure activity relations. So in QSAR, when we will be discussing, we will again visit this molecule or this property. What is P? In log P, this P is the ratio of solubility of drug in N-octanol or normal octanol divided by the solubility of drug in water. Right? If we take so that is a kind of ratio, some kind of division. That solubility of a drug in octanol divided by solubility of drug in water. Now, why we are choosing here octanol? If we are dealing with normal body fluids such as lymph, saliva, blood, or urine, or whatsoever. But why we are dealing with octanol? Because the permeability of octanol and octanol is same as that of the biological membranes. So that's why we are choosing N-octanol. जैसे इथेनॉल, इथेनॉल में 2 कार्बन और एक OH होता है, CH2OH. N-octanol तो उसमें CH3 के बाद CH2 7 times और फिर OH. उसका जो स्ट्रक्चर है ना, that is long alkyl chain followed by hydroxyl group. So this is for Lipinski filters where log P is measured using N-octanol. And water as a standard it is being chosen because water is a perfect solvent which will represent this polar molecules. And most of the parts of our body is also made up of water. Around 70% of our body composition consists of water. So that's why water is chosen. And if we take the logarithm on both the sides of this equation, so log यहाँ पर भी लेते हैं और log यहाँ पर भी. So mathematical equation becomes like this. Log P is equal to log of drug octanol minus log of concentration of drug in water. So it is simple. ये ऊपर है इसलिए प्लस है, ये डिनोमिनेटर है इसलिए ये माइनस. Nominator and denominator. Answer है 6. Right? So in generally in design of or in understanding of Lipinski filters, log P is chosen instead of P. So ये आपका log P है और ये P है. Now I invite answer from you for the question that why we are considering log P instead of P. Why we are following the logs to study Lipinski filters rather than P. P में log नहीं है, इसमें log होता है. So what is the reason behind this? Yes. Who will tell me? This is a big question, not a small question. Answer is very short. Kasvi, आपको क्या लगता है? किसी को पता है why we are taking log? Am I audible to you, Kasvi?
Yes, sir.
So why we are choosing log p instead of p? Okay. So Kasvi, you tell me what is the value of log 1?
Log 1. 1.
Log 1 is 1.
0.
0.
Log 1 is 0. What is the value of log 10?
Log 10 is 1.
1.
Log 10 is 1. Okay. So आपने जब log 10 लिया उसमें 2 डिजिट है 1 और 0. उसका वैल्यू आया 1. Okay. What is the value of log 100? Value of log 100 is
2.
2.
that is 2. 10 raised to 2. So log of 10 raised to 2 will become 2. So log 10 is 1. So that's why. Now, what is the value of log 1000?
3.
3.
3. Log 10,000?
4.
Log of 1 lakh?
5.
5.
तो 1 लाख में कितने शून्य होते हैं? 5. Right? 4 नहीं होते हैं. ठीक है. So you have seen in by this comparison that आप जितना log में भी जितना वैल्यू ज्यादा होता है 1 लाख तो वो 5 उसका log लेने से वो वैल्यू कितना बनता है? छोटा. कितना छोटा? बोले तो 5. Like if we say it is 5. If I take log of 1 crore, so it will become only value 7, right? Or log of 10 lakh, it will become 6. वहाँ पे तो 7 डिजिट नंबर, यहाँ पे उसका वैल्यू बन रहा है ओनली सिंगल डिजिट. तो इसीलिए कोई बड़े से बड़ा नंबर को हमें उसको छोटा नंबर बनाना है, बड़े से बड़ी वैल्यू को हमें छोटी वैल्यू बनाना है. You want to convert a larger number into a smaller number, then logarithms are useful. So for this reason, ये solubilities of drug होती है, that is in very low concentration, micromolar, nanomolar. So that's why we can convert these numbers into some useful. कितना है मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ लॉग पी जो लिपिंस्की ने सजेस्ट किया है? दैट इज
लेस देन 5.
5 और लेस देन 5. तो उसका पी वैल्यू कितना होगा? अप्रोक्सीमेट 1 लाख.
1 lakh.
तो हर बार जैसे सिंस इफ वी आर डीलिंग विद लार्ज नंबर्स, so it is not good. क्योंकि कभी एक नंबर छूट जाएगा, एक नंबर if we forget to write or to estimate, then we will have problem. So that's why Lipinski has suggested to consider log p rather than p. पर ये logarithm का science is not applicable to here also. आपने जहाँ जहाँ पे भी log apply किया है, आपके log application में ये यूज होता है कि using logarithms we can convert the bigger values into the smaller. That's why log p is. Now how log p is there, how it is calculated, and all these things we will visit in our regular. So for the sake of this, this is for the introduction. So now after having the introduction, we have to go for tutorials. we have to go for the assignment and how we are going to calculate. Okay. Now, how to calculate Lipinski rule of 5? So that I shall show it to you people using one of the document, or sorry, one of the website. So you on your Google, if you search like mole inspiration, so if you search on Google using this terminology, mole inspiration, so you will see the first link, mole inspiration, camp informatics. If you click on it, the first link using mole inspiration, another window will open, looking like this one. On this window, here there is option, calculation of molecular properties and prediction of fire. So on second option, if you click, then a window will open, and this window looks like this. So here, this is basically a somehow workspace. Here there are symbol of some of the atoms, and here is a symbol of some of the structures. Now, if I want to draw a structure of benzene, I should click on this benzene ring, and then if I click on this, then I can draw the structure of, this is what is called orthoxylene. So if I want to draw the structure of aspirin, what is the structure of aspirin? Aspirin first, if I click on this single bond, I can draw a single carbon atom, and if I want to convert it into a double bond, so I will draw one more bond on this, so I can convert it into a double bond. If I want to write oxygen, I will click on oxygen and will put here oxygen. And if I want to draw another atom, I will click on this single atom bond, and I want to draw OH, will select oxygen. So again, OH is there. So simple drawing features. Again, I want to put here oxygen. So now it is salicylic acid, right? I want to draw one more OCOCH3. So I will draw a single bond, और मैं अपना माउस घुमा के इस बॉन्ड को मैं कहीं पर भी rotate it. Now it is having OCOCH3. So I will select the single double bond here. You can select the double bond. You will select oxygen. Label this terminal as oxygen. Will draw number. So more you make the practice, this will be handy to you. There are other atoms such as phosphorus, iodine, bromine, and so on. So that will be useful to you people to draw the structures. Okay. So this is the final structure of aspirin. In case if you have made a mistake, जैसे आपने यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन के बदले मानो कि क्लोरीन लगा दी, so that is not desired. You want to delete it. So click on, here is a double delete button, which is looks like this cross. Okay, so we can delete, click on this cross. So all the things will be deleted also. But we want to bring it further, so I will draw here oxygen. Here if I use my keyboard to type the atom, so that way my computer keyboard will also work. Fine. So this is the structure of aspirin. And now here there are many options. Option number 1, calculate properties, predict bioactivity, galaxy, regenerator. So you can study at your home also what these properties are there. But I will suggest you to click on this. So once you calculate and click on this mole inspiration property engine will calculate all these properties required for experiment. So now after this, the assignment you will be given, I shall be sharing this template with you. So in which you are required to draw the structure of aspirin, note down the molecular weight, looking at from step site, which is 180.16 for mi log p. Mi इसलिए बोला है कि वो calculate हुआ है using mole inspiration. So that's why the name is mi. So that is around और Lipinski rule of 5 के हिसाब से less than 5 होना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पर है 1.43. We can assure looking at from this website. फिर बाकी भी आप सब लिख सकते हो. नंबर ऑफ NON का मतलब है नंबर ऑफ नाइट्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन, और नंबर ऑफ इसका मतलब NOH NH जो लिखा है उसका मतलब है नंबर ऑफ OH एंड H. तो ये आप यहाँ से लिख सकते हो, फिर आप इसमें टाइप भी कर सकते हो. और इवन इफ यू आर राइटिंग द थिंग्स इन योर नोटबुक. So now you can see here, for I have listed all these properties looking at from this website. So इसका molecular weight 500 से कम है तो चलेगा. log p 5 से कम है, ठीक है, चलेगा. It will work. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड एक्सेप्टर 10 से कम होने चाहिए, 10 या 10 से कम, ठीक है. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड डोनर्स 5 से कम, ठीक है. रोटेशनल बॉन्ड मतलब बॉन्ड्स विच कैन रोटेट, जैसे आपने एन ब्यूटेन का कन्फर्मेशन स्टडी किया था, वहाँ पे एक रोटेशनल बॉन्ड जिसमें आपने गॉस एंटी स्टीगर ये सारे जनरेट किए थे. दिस टाइप ऑफ बॉन्ड्स आर कॉल्ड एज रोटेशनल बॉन्ड्स, ठीक है. सो ऑल दीज आर परफेक्टली मैचेस, देयर इज नो वायलेशन. बट मानो कि हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड डोनर्स यहाँ पे 5 नहीं थे, 7 मिले फ्रॉम दिस virtual engine. So for this property engine, so you will mention here for example 5. So this 5 is exceeding the normal range. तो 5 से नीचे होना चाहिए, तो वो 7 है. नंबर ऑफ वायलेशन क्या होगा? 8. For example, this is not, I am just highlighting. So this is the way you will summarize your report also. Now, how you will be given the assignments? Generally, हम practical में होते हैं तो हम group assignment देते हैं. So I have also selected the topics for you people also. And rule number 1, 2, and 3 will be working on this sulfonamides and sulfones. 4, 5, 6 are assigned this diuretics, including only carbonic anhydrase and loop diuretics. 10, 11, and 12 are assigned anti-cancer drugs and only the class of antimetabolites. And 28, 9, and 30 are assigned only antiviral drugs and protease inhibitors. ये आपको असाइनमेंट दिया है, ठीक है. अब इसके आपको जैसे असाइनमेंट मिल गया तो आपको अब क्या करना है? You people have already the soft copy of Wilson and Griswold. So you have to go to the chapter where sulfonamides and sulfones are given, and one by one in this search engine you have to draw the structure of those sulfonamides. जैसे आपने पहले मानो कि सल्फासीटामाइड का स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ किया. Once you have clearly drawn the structure, calculate the properties, mention those properties in, if you have, you can note down this table in your uh, record book also, because just for the sake of simplicity I have drawn it in Word, Microsoft Word, but you can make a similar table in your record book. और कम से कम you have to select, so ये आपका एक हो गया, फिर दूसरा करो, तीसरा करो, कम से कम आपको ऐसे 10 ड्रग मॉलिक्यूल्स के लिपिंस्की फिल्टर स्टडी करनी, कम से कम 10। जैसे एक बार आपने सल्फासिटामाइड लिया, फिर सल्फामेथोक्साजोल, सल्फाडायाजीन, सल्फामेराजीन, सल्फामेथाजीन, सल्फाडॉक्सिन, ऐसे करके कम से कम, और एक बार डेप्सोन भी ले लिया, there should be at least 10, minimum 10, maximum आपकी मर्जी उतना आप करना, there should be minimum 10 drug molecules। फिर आपको कंक्लूजन लिखना है कि हम आपको एसेस करना है, जैसे आपके सभी जो है वो ऑल द मॉलिक्यूल्स आर फिट लाइक दिस इन लिपिंस्की फिल्टर, देयर इज नॉट अ सिंगल वायलेशन, एक भी रूल ब्रेक नहीं होता। एक रूल ब्रेक होता है तो आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है एक, मानो कि किसी का यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड एक्सेप्टर है 11, तो ये तो ज्यादा हो गया, 11 और 7 तो टोटल 2 रूल ब्रेक हुए, 2 पैरामीटर्स आर डिसओबेइंग द लिपिंस्की रूल ऑफ, और किसी और के साथ भी ऐसा हुआ, किसी के साथ 2 हुआ या किसी के साथ 1। So in the end you will be concluding that either for the selected sulfonamides and sulfur all the drugs complies the Lipinski rule of 5, or else you have to mention that only 2 drugs, उसमें आप उसके नाम भी दे दो, सल्फासिटामाइड और सल्फामेथोक्साजोल, does not comply with Lipinski rule। ये आपका कंक्लूजन होगा। Okay? So this exercise people have to do. I shall be creating the assignment with Google Classroom, and I wish that this is little bit challenging, so you can work in a group. And these groups will be according to your programs. Okay, I understand there will be lot of questions, so now you are open for raising the questions, raising the doubts.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can't we we have to do it in a record book only?
You
Can't
can
you
do.
make a Word document and
I will be sharing this Word document because I have created a template for submission, which will
Okay,
list
sir.
your roll numbers and assignment. The only thing is that how will you present the structure? आप ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप यहाँ से स्नैपशॉट ले लो, उसको कट कॉपी में, जैसे ये कट कॉपी तो होता ही है, ठीक है, तो आप इसको यहाँ पे पेस्ट करो, दैट इज ऑल्सो will it work or not, I am not sure, because मैंने कोई, अच्छा ये हो जाएगा, तो उसको थोड़ा छोटा करना पड़ेगा,
yes, sir.
तो फिर है ना it will look something odd, so it is not suggest, आपको जो भी ठीक लगे वो आप कर सकते हो। Okay.
Okay.
So if you wish to write in your notebook, so आप notebook में आपको बस structure draw करने का एक issue है, बाकी तो template is ready। तो जिनके पास कंप्यूटर नहीं है घर पे या फिर वो चीज, this is accessible from your mobiles also, मोबाइल में भी आप structure draw कर पाओगे। I will be sharing the link also, so link, and I have mentioned, I think it is not here, let me type it, here is a link, so I am also typing, pasting this link here, so using, once you click on this you will be going to that link। ठीक है, अब जैसे मैंने आपको टॉपिक दिया है प्रिजर्वेटिव्स, प्रिजर्वेटिव किल्सन एंड डिसॉल्व में कोई भी प्रिजर्वेटिव्स है तो उसके स्ट्रक्चर आपको वहाँ बुक में से मिल जाएंगे, आपको वहाँ पे ड्रॉ करने हैं, प्रॉपर्टीज कैलकुलेट करनी है, उनको टाइप करनी है और फिर देखना है कितने वायलेशंस होते हैं और फिर आपको अपना कंक्लूजन सबमिट करना है. दिस इज द वे यू कैन वर्क विद दिस वर्चुअल प्रॉपर्टीज. ओके, अब ऐसा नहीं है कि जैसे some of the drugs, जैसे all the drugs follow Lipinski rule of 5. There are certain exceptions also to Lipinski rule of 5, such as atorvastatin, which is basically HMG coreductase inhibitor, but its molecular weight is beyond 500. But still, the popular anti-hyperlipidemic drug, right? It is not necessary that all the molecules, all the drugs candidates will follow Lipinski rule of 5. सर आपको क्या करना है, बस इसकी स्टडी करनी है, to perform Lipinski rule of 5. Okay, so on any other question to anyone?